Body pains can be very difficult to handle. Lower back ache, muscle sprains, muscle pulls, muscle strains, arthritis, pain on the leg, cold. Most times when we have some of these kind of symptoms at home, we just quickly rush to the pharmacy and over the counter we get ointment balms. Some of these ointment balms are very hot that even when you apply it on the body, your body will even get very hot. But meanwhile, this ointment balm, do you know you can produce it yourself? So that is what I'll be teaching you today on how to make your own ointment balm for muscle pain, for arthritis, for body pains, bruises, and even cramps. So stay behind and don't go anywhere. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and share my videos so that this video can get to the people that need it. Welcome back and thank you for not going anywhere. So quickly, this is the list of the items we'll be making use of. You can make a screenshot of it and save to your phone, or you can jot it down. So this is oil. You can make use of any mineral oil, any oil at all. You can make use of frankincense oil, myrrh oil, coconut oil, mineral oil, any oil at all. You just need to make the base and then mix the drugs and combine to it. So this is camphor, and the other one was menthol, and that is my oil, petroleum jelly. I listed everything on the screen, you saw it all. And this is Methylsalicyclates. This is actually the drug that is very important in making of hot ointment balm. Without methylsalicylate, it won't actually give you that effect of what you want. And this is essential oil. I'm making use of eucalyptus oil. You can combine both eucalyptus oil and peppermint oil. You can do that. So this is industrial camphor. Industrial camphor can actually dissolve in oil. So if you buy yours and it doesn't dissolve perfectly in oil, you know that it may not actually be the best quality that was given to you. So we need to combine the camphor and the menthol crystal into the oil and place it on our heat, double boiling method, so that it can gradually dissolve. Once it's melted, you bring it out from fire and then you gradually add your petroleum jelly into it, and then we'll place it on heat for the second time so that the petroleum jelly can also dissolve. When you are adding this your petroleum jelly, also try as much as possible to add in your hardener or thickener for this ointment base, probably paraffin wax, which is popularly known. This you can always see paraffin wax. If you don't have paraffin wax, you can replace it with stearic acid, or you can replace it with other types of waxes out there. Beeswax is even a very good option. So after melting it out, it will dissolve perfectly. Petroleum jelly, don't worry, it dissolves on heat perfectly. So you now combining the methylsalicylate into it and give it a good stir so that the both of them can combine perfectly. Now I go in with my eucalyptus oil and add a little portion of it, like 5 ml. In the absence of this oil, please make sure you use peppermint oil. You can even improve the power of your healing balm by adding the two. Now go ahead and color any color you feel free. If you don't want to color it and you want it to have the off-white appearance of a petroleum jelly, please go ahead and pour it into a container without altering the color. But I believe in my own market, the most popularly known ointment balm, Abunki balm, is actually pale yellow in color. So that is why I added the yellow color in a very little quantity. Once you are done, just pour it into your sterile jars. Make sure the jars are very sterile, is properly washed and sanitized before you pour it in. Remember, this is what somebody has to use on his or her body. So once you're done, you can just set it aside on a table shelf for it to cool down and solidify. If you want it faster, you can actually place it in the refrigerator so that it can chill up quickly. Within the next 30 minutes, it must have solidified in the refrigerator. Any way you want to do it, just allow it and give it some time, and then you will have your solidified ointment balm. So after some minutes, this is what we have. Can you see how beautiful it is? This is a very perfect and beautiful production. Just make sure you follow the measurement I dropped from the beginning of this video and follow it sequentially, and you will arrive at this very beautiful hot ointment balm for pain relief. And then once you are done, just cover it and set it aside. If you want to sell it to people, you can sell. If you want to gift it out, you can as well gift it out. So this is a very perfect production. I know by now you must have liked my video and you must have subscribed to my channel, so that I will keep recreating this kind of beautiful DIYs for us. Thank you all for sticking to the end of this video.